Compressor just came apart. No one knows why. We're gonna call this the mystery shattered compressor. Maybe they're gonna have to do some investigating to find out what exactly. Why would a compressor just shatter like that? I'm gonna show you the compressor again in a minute. Okay, a couple O-rings. Yes, those will be needed. I guess in this other box is the the dryer. Yes, guys, the dryer. When you do a compressor because of trash, you likely should replace the dryer, but unfortunately, this dryer, you can't get the dryer by itself. You got to get the complete condenser. We'll talk about that in a second, but let's take a look at this compressor. Instructions? I don't know. Ooh, tech tips. I'll go over this with y'all, guys. Tech tips. I love tech tips. Okay, use the following steps when installing the new compressor. All right, we're gonna do just that. I'm gonna read those tech tips, but for now, I want to take a look at this compressor. Is this a OEM? No, this aftermarket, guys. It's not even. I think, from what I'm told, OEM is on back order. Why is that, guys? What is a couple reasons a compressor would be on back order? This thing busted up right back here. When I get it off, we're gonna analyze that situation, but for now I got a new compressor, guys. All right, good deal. I don't know who makes this. Well, yeah, Ruli, what you know about these people? GPD, Global Parts Distribution. Ruli 73 a parts guy, so I don't know, but OEM's on back order, Ruli. Why, I do not know. Normally the typical saying is if something on back order, that means there's a problem with it. That can't be the case because this is the first one I'm doing on a 134 or 1234YF system, period. Also, Ruli, while I got you, while I'm discussing this, can you not get, or is that just a dealer thing, or can you not get the dryer by itself? Or is this one of those things where they rather you replace both? Because there's absolutely nothing wrong with the condenser. Oh, maybe they're right. Technically, it's built onto the condenser. Yes, guys, y'all see that? Now, how hard is this stuff to do? I guess we gonna find out. In fact, let's take a look. As far as the condenser goes, I'm almost certain the bumper cover got to come off. All right, as far as the compressor, that looks fairly easy. Unplug everything, bolt right here, and one up top. Take the belt off. Oh yeah, the compressor looked fairly easy. Can y'all see in there? All right, so guys, I have to go. Let me take a break. Let me grab some tubes. I gotta get it busy. I gotta knock this out today. All right, so I'll talk to y'all later. Stay tuned. All right, guys, y'all can see I got it out. Now, I want to analyze a few things because there are some unanswered questions here. Such as, how in the world could this happen, right? There's no impact from outside source, meaning nothing in the road hit this. Let's go right there. I guess the compressor was running. It decided to throw a rod. I've never been inside of a compressor. I never found the time to really get the understanding of what's going on inside of a compressor. Now I know what a compressor, what kind of results they supposed to yield, but as far as the inner and outer workings of it, I never really got. And some of you older guys may have, can probably tell me, is this typical of like a, what does a compressor do? It turns, rotates, and it compresses. It's kind of interesting, but this obviously something came from the inside, popped this off. There went the Freon, there went the AC. There comes the customer in the shop, want to know why. No outside hit, guys, no outside damage. Now, you know what's weird? I got a compressor here. It's not a new OEM. Y'all know I'm a big OEM guy, but in some cases it doesn't matter. The insurance company said these on back order. Now, what does that say when parts on back order? Um, are we using a lot of them for the car maker to run out? Is this a known problem? I don't know. It's the first one I've done. Now, if I start getting these left and right, every 2 weeks or every 3 weeks, then yeah, I would assume, yeah, these compressors, whoever made them, didn't build them up to standards, and then I can tag that as assumption along with it. Yeah, they got a bunch of bad AC compressors, and just the mere fact of they being on back order lets me know there may be a problem, but I don't know. I do have this aftermarket compressor here. I don't know who makes this. Well, yeah, Ruli. I think I asked you this earlier. GPD. I don't know who that is, but it doesn't matter. I got to put it on the car. All right, guys. So I just wanted to run that by you cats. Y'all like a good little discussion on what's going on. This is fairly easy, guys, to replace. Now, remember, I did have to replace the dryer. Nothing was wrong with not the dryer, the condenser. Nothing was wrong with the condenser, but because there's a potential chance I could have contaminated the system via this compressor, they wanted me to do the dryer, but unfortunately it comes attached with the condenser, so I had to do the whole condenser. It wasn't that bad either. All right, let's take a look and see how bad is not too bad. Yes, right there in your face, guys. So once you get the belt off, you can see my wrench is still up there, what I used to compress the tensioner. Once you get that off, hey, whoa. Okay, that's just, this is the bracket used. I thought something came out of the engine. Okay, I got work to do, guys. Let me get this compressor in. Don't need me film this. Just gonna put it in, bolt it down, put the belt on, and use my AC 123.4YF. Refill it and do everything, and then I should be done, guys. The condenser is already in. All right, that's all I have, man. I appreciate you guys. Y'all know the drill. I appreciate you guys watching the videos. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.